This is how to make these smooth text captions in Premiere Pro. First, you need to select all your captions and then go to Graphics and Titles and then select Upgrade Caption to Graphic. This will allow us to animate the text. To make this smooth scale text effect, we need to go to Effects and then search Transform and then apply the effect to Reverse Caption. Now with that layer selected, go to Effects and choose and then click on the Transform effect. I'll change both the anchor point and the position value so that both blue icons are aligned in the center of the text. This is so the text animates correctly. Now make sure you're at the start of the clip and then click on the stopwatch next to scale to create a keyframe and then change the scale value to 70. Now move forward 15 frames by holding Shift and then press on the right arrow key 3 times and then set the scale back to 100. To add motion blur, you can increase the shadow angle to 360. Now to smoothen out the scale effect, we need to select the keyframes, right-click, ease in, and then select ease out. This is the current effect. To make it more smooth, expand the arrow next to scale and then click on one keyframe to show these blue handles. Now drag both handles all the way to the left so that the animation is fast in the beginning and then gradually slows down. This is how it looks. To apply this effect to all captions, you need to select the transform effect and then copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Now select all text layers in the timeline and then paste the effect by pressing Ctrl+V. We now got this effect on all captions. To create a smooth text morph effect, you need to go to Effects and search Morph Cut and then apply the transition to the first text layer. Now make sure to select the transition and then in Effects Controls, change the duration to 6 frames. To apply this transition to all text layers, make sure to click on the transition and then copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Now hold Ctrl and then highlight all the text layers to select the cuts and then paste the transition with Ctrl+C. To smoothen out the effect, you need to go to the project panel, then click on New Item and select Adjustment Layer. Now click on OK and then drag the adjustment layer above all the text captions. Now go to Effects and search Directional Blur and then apply the effect to the adjustment layer. Now align the player with the first cut. Then in the Effects controls, create a keyframe for blur length and then set the direction to 90 degrees. Then move forward 3 frames by pressing the right arrow 3 times. Then increase the blur length to around 12. Then move forward 3 frames again, then reset the blur length value. To make this on every text, you can select the keyframes and copy them. Now, align the plate with the next cut and then paste the keyframes. Move to the next cut again, paste the keyframes, and repeat this process with all the captions. Now, to remove the blur from the video, you need to select the adjustment layer and the text layers. Then right-click and select Nest, and then click on OK. We now got these smooth captions. To add some glow to the text, you can duplicate the text layer by holding Alt or Option on Mac and then drag it up on track. Now go to Effects and search Gaussian Blur. Then apply the effect to the top layer. With the layer selected, go to Effects Controls and then set the blend mode to lighten. Then increase the blurriness to add some glow to the text. You can also decrease the opacity if necessary. This is the smooth text effect. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for new upcoming tutorials. You can also check video description to find website where you can download free Premiere Pro and After Effects transition and text animation packs and much more. See you in the next video.